I hope you enjoyed it.
And now this time we are sending you another bag with full of some more exciting activities.
5 more exciting activities.
Yes, 5 more.
And it has some worksheets,
Threading activity.
Play-Doh activity, and more to go.
So now it is time for our first activity, and it is all about spring season. You know why? Because spring season is going on and we all are sending you a flower with some colorful Play-Dohs.
So now it's the second activity, and which is the threading activity. We are giving you a star which is laminated and we have some holes inside it. So we are going to take this pointer, we are going to put it inside and then take it out. Simultaneously, we are going to do all the holes like this and oops. And then we are going to make a star. So now we have the third activity, which is called build a fence. As you see, there are clouds, there's a sun, there's garden, grass, but we don't have a fence. We need to complete the fence. How are we going to do it? Now I am going to give you 10 ice cream sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here's my fence ready.
Now it is time for our fourth activity, and it is all about decorating your own autumn tree. As you all can see that we have a tree here and we have few of the colors which symbolizes autumn season, and we can choose any of these colors. And with this pom-pom, we'll dip it in our favorite color and do dab, 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 dab on our tree.
Around the branches.
Yes, and then it will be all ready.
Divya ma'am, where is the fifth activity?
I think it's just right behind you.
Is it the surprise we were about to show them?
Shall we bring it forward?
But then you need to close your eyes.
Okay.
Pika, pika,
Pika,
pika. Boo! Now this is the surprise element, and which is called ring the toss. We are going to keep it right in front of us and try and put it inside the... Oh!
You missed it.
I missed it. Divya ma'am, I think you need to go there and get it.
You try. I think
Yes,
you should
it's
try.
my
Turn now. Now I'm gonna try. Let's keep the hooks high. 1, 2,